Hi, I'm Michael. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started of using Foldda Solution Manager. The first thing to do is to download the software. Just go to the Foldda website, foldda.com, go to the download button and click on the Foldda Premium Runtime, and here is the link of the latest version of Foldda runtimes, which including the solution manager we're going to use today. So click on it. It start download and should finish very soon. Okay, now this is in our download folder, and then second thing is to just unzip it. So exact go. You can just use the default folder in the download directory. Okay, the good thing about Foldda is that when you install it, you don't actually have to install anything. So once you download the file, you unzip it, it becomes a folder of the content, which is this folder here. So this is Solution Manager that we're going to run. You don't have to install anything. It's a portable program, so we just run it like that. So first of all, Windows give you a warning. You can just, because it's already been signed by a folder, this is not altered, so it's safe to run. So go run anyway. Okay. Again, you allowed you to use the network. Go allowed. Okay, so this is program already launched. If you watch some of the Foldda demo videos, this is the program you're going to use. So by default, it already loads a solution with two modules. One is the file reader, HL7 file reader, HL7 file writer. So you can actually run this program as it is. But the reason it loads the program at the start is they have this config file, folder manager.config. Let's open it up. So it has this clause here says example solution. So by default, when the program launches, you look for this config file, say, is anything being configured for me to load? And this example solution folder points to here. So this is part of the download. Okay, so so the program downloaded the config file points to this location, which has this module reader from file, then write to file. So that's the solution we just saw here, which you can run as it is. So you can just go run. Yeah. So basically, that's all it is. All you need to do to run Foldda is to download and unzip. And because it's a portable program, what you can do, instead of download every time, you can actually copy this onto a USB key and you can run it anywhere. So you can just bring that with you. You have the solutions as we see in the uh, example solutions here. Just use it. You can, if you have built a new solution, you can just put it in the same location. You can bring this folder with you in the USB key and run anywhere. So that's pretty much it. But uh, if you want to build your solution yourself, there's a handlers directory allows you to use the handlers that you can use. So for example, for HL7, you can have the file reader, file writer, a filter, network, so on and so forth. So yeah, so using Foldda is just as simple. You don't have to install anything, just download, unzip, and you can start running. The next video, I'm going to show you another part of the Foldda download, which is this Windows service. So you can run Foldda in the background instead of using a pretty user interface. You can run folder at the background. So uh, we're going to show you how to use this. So that's the end of the video. See you next video.